Have you ever looked at an epoxy artwork and felt like you were staring into the ocean? Waves flowing naturally, white foam crashing softly, deep blues fading into turquoise. And everything looks so real, so calming, so perfect. But here's the truth. That perfect ocean design is not random. It's controlled. It's planned. And once you understand the technique, you can create it yourself. Welcome back to Hainin Epoxy, Hainin Resin and Craft. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create a realistic epoxy ocean design, how to control color blending, how to create natural wave effects, how to use heat properly, and how professionals make ocean art look clean, not messy. Let's dive in. Part 1. Understanding ocean design. Before we touch epoxy, we need to understand the look we're creating. What makes an ocean design realistic? Color depth, smooth gradients, natural wave movement, foam details, balance. Common mistake. Most beginners try to mix everything at once. Result? Mud colors. No definition. No depth. Professional mindset. Ocean design is layered, not rushed. Part 2. Materials you need. Let's prepare properly. Essential materials. Epoxy resin. Coating epoxy recommended. Hardener. Colors. Deep blue, ocean blue, turquoise, white for waves. Optional. Metallic blue. Transparent dyes. Tools. Mixing cups. Stir sticks. Heat gun or hair dryer. Torch optional. Spatula or spreader. Surface. Wood board. MDF. Canvas. Pro tip. A smooth and sealed surface gives the best results. Part 3. Surface preparation. This step defines everything. Steps. Sand the surface. Clean dust completely. Apply primer or base coat. Optional base color. White base, bright tropical look. Black base, deep dramatic ocean. Key takeaway. Bad prep equals bad art. Part 4. Color strategy, very important. Ocean design is all about color control. Color structure. Deep blue, deep water. Mid blue, ocean body. Turquoise, shallow water. White waves. How to think. Dark equals depth. Light equals shore. Pro tip. Never mix all colors together. Layer them. Part 5. Mixing epoxy. Let's do it professionally. Step 1. Measure. Follow correct ratio. Step 2. Mix slowly. 3 to 5 minutes. Scrape sides and bottom. Step 3. Wait. Let epoxy rest for 3 to 5 minutes. This reduces bubbles. Step 4. Divide into cups. Separate for each color. Step 5. Add colors. Mix pigments gently. Key takeaway. Clean mixing equals clean ocean. Part 6. Pouring the base colors. Now we start building the ocean. Step 1. Pour deep blue on one side. Step 2. Add medium blue next to it. Step 3. Add turquoise near the shore area. Important. Do not mix aggressively. Let colors sit next to each other. Result. Natural gradient foundation. Part 7. Creating the wave effect. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Pour a thin white line between blue and turquoise. Step 2. Use heat gun or hair dryer. Technique. Push white into blue gently. Result. Wave-like foam effect. Pro tip. Move in one direction. Do not go back and forth. Part 8. Controlling the flow. Ocean movement must look natural. Rules. Keep motion smooth. Avoid sharp lines. Avoid overblending. Common mistake. Overworking the epoxy. Result. Messy design. Professional tip. Less movement equals more realism. Part 9. Adding depth and layers. To make it perfect, Option 1. Add a second wave line. Option 2. Add darker tones under waves. Option 3. Use transparent layers. Result. Multi-layer ocean effect. Part 10. Bubble control. Bubbles are normal. Remove using torch, heat gun. Warning. Too much heat destroys design. Key takeaway. Gentle control only. Part 11. Knowing when to stop. This is a professional skill. Stop when design looks balanced. Flow looks natural. Do not keep adjusting forever. Result. Overworked surface. Part 12. Curing process. Now we let epoxy do its job. Conditions. dust-free environment, stable temperature. Time, 24 to 48 hours touch dry. Full cure in several days. Important, do not touch. Part 13, optional top coat. For a premium finish. Apply, clear epoxy top coat. Result, deep glossy ocean look. Part 14, common mistakes. Avoid these. Using too much white. Overheating. Mixing colors too much. Rushing the process. Using wrong color tones. Result, fake-looking ocean. Part 15, pro tips. Here's what professionals do differently. Study real ocean images. Use minimal white. Control heat direction. Work in layers. Stop at the right time. Mindset, you're not painting water. You're guiding movement. Final message. A perfect epoxy ocean design is not luck. It's planning, control, patience, understanding. At Hanen Epoxy, Hanen Resin and Craft, we don't just create epoxy art. We teach you how to master it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Hanen Epoxy. Like the video, share it with someone who loves epoxy art. We are also building members-only content where we go deeper into advanced techniques, real projects, and business growth. If you want to level up faster, consider becoming a member. And I'm still waiting for my first super thanks. If you want to support the channel, I truly appreciate it. Be one of the unforgettable viewers from the beginning. Remember, epoxy is not just material. It's emotion, and your creativity can turn it into an ocean. I'll see you in the next video.